guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. This check 1, check 2 test. I have the mic adapter in now for the GoPro. I also have a purple Panda. It should be beautiful and crisp. I'm not too sure. This is the first test and I want to make sure that it's good for tomorrow. Tomorrow I am meeting up with the Gorilla Biker. As a lot of you would know, he is I have to give him props, and I know you're going to watch this. You're doing what I wish I could do on YouTube. Pop. Oh. He's not even on YouTube a year and he's like 750, 720, 730 subscribers, something like that, which is just fucking amazing. I'm on YouTube like since 2014 and I've got 1,000. So with my really bad maths, I should say, you should be at about 5 grand or 5 grand. It's not monies. 5,000 for the amount of time I've been on YouTube, which is just crazy. But I'm meeting up with him tomorrow. I'm also having a test ride of a 2020 Zero SRF. Can't wait for that. It's going to be so good. And obviously expect a video of that and expect a video of us. Fucking love the sound of this bike. So first time been on the bike in about a week, so the brakes are all fucky on it. They were so rusted and corroded. I went in the salt and it just absolutely fucking ruined my bike. I am now the proud owner of motodragon.ie. I bought the domain because it was so cheap. So I have a plan and I wanted to run it by you guys. So obviously with the domain, I want to make a website. That's kind of a given with a domain. But what I wanted the website to be is I wanted to almost be like a forum. Basically I'm gonna post up, you know, my videos, any of my Instagram stuff goes there, but I want it to be a place that someone can go, oh, I am driving to Cork and I want a nice place to eat, I want some nice roads, something like that. I want all that information on it. If I do a bike review, I want the bike review up there. I basically want it like a little information hub or bike related stuff in Ireland. And I also want to like start selling my stickers and shit on it. Maybe. I don't know if I want to do that part yet, but that's what I want to do and that's the plan. It's not, I decided I'm not going to do it like an open forum. Because if you do it on an open forum, everyone's a fucking expert, everyone's an internet mechanic, everyone's this, that and the other. But what I want to do on it is that you guys can submit, hey, I've been to such a place, such a restaurant, or such a place to stop on the bike, nice place to stop, nice coffee, nice food, whatever. Send it in and then I can put it up on the website. That's my ultimate goal. If that's something that you guys like the sound of, let me know, and I want to get that started fairly soon. I'll get all the artwork and shit done up on it, see kind of where it goes. But that's my idea really. That's what I wanted to speak about in this video. I want to do a website and I want it a hub, an information hub, and obviously it's motodragon.com because, you know, Motodragon, that's me. But it's not just about, it's not just about me. I want it to be for everyone, about anyone that's into bikes, any information, and obviously I'm going to keep it to Ireland for now. So let me know what you guys think. That's my idea. That was my mad idea. I bought the domain because it was really cheap, so I said fuck it, I'm going to buy it, and if I don't use it, I don't use it, but at least it's mine. And I really do want to make a website, and obviously, you know, I have to pay for the website and everything myself, and when you go to put your own domain on it, you have to go for like the premium package and all this shit, and make sure my fucking brakes are okay. But yeah guys, like, let me know what you guys think. I think it could be good. I think it could be really, really fun. A fun little project for me. Please don't go. Thank you. I'm gonna end the video here. I need to go print some photos, but let me know what you guys think of the idea, and if you have any suggestions, let me know. But look guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you all in the next video. Also, actually, quickly, let me know what you guys think of the audio. Is the audio good? Does it suck? I won't know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one.